Hello, good morning students. How are you all? I hope all of you fine. So today in our revision video, what we should do, that our assignments is there related to unit 1 that we discuss today. Okay. See, let me start it from the first question. Very first question is MCQ. Okay. Very first question is MCQ, and let me start from very first. That very first, yellow shade I don't like. Yellow shade I don't like. Then which color? Red. Yellow is don't like red color. Then next, number 2. The poet used blank color for making the sun. Okay. The poet used blank color for making the sun. Then which color? Yellow. Which color? Yellow. Answer is yellow. Then next, number 3. We find the following colors in the painting of Van Gogh. Okay. We find the following colors in the painting of Van Gogh. What is the answers of that? The answers that we find brown, grey and green color. We found brown, grey and green color. Okay, to show in the paintings of Vincent van Gogh. Then next, number 4. Everyone hated blank color. Everyone hated blank color. Which colors is hated by everyone in the poem? Then the answer is orange. Orange color is hated by each and everyone in the poem. Okay. Then next, Van Gogh, number 5. Van Gogh used blank paint for his paintings. For his painting. Then which kinds of paint he used? Then he used very thick. He used very thick paint in all his painting. Then number 6. The meaning of was through is. The meaning of was through is what? Then completed. The meaning of was through is completed. Okay, was through means completed. Then number 7. The poet made blank with green. Okay. Number 7. The poet made blank with a green color. Okay. Then what is made by the poet? The answer is grass. The poet using green color for making the grass. Then next, Vincent van Gogh was a blank. Then what he was? Vincent van Gogh is what? Then he was an artist. Vincent van Gogh was a artist. Okay. Let me go further. Let me see the next. Let me see further. Let me see further. Number 8 MCQ. Then the most unfortunate part of his life was that. Which most unfortunate part of Vincent van Gogh that we already discussed? See, he could share only one painting. He could share only one painting when he is alive. So this is the very most unfortunate part of his life. Then the next, the crayons at last realized that each one of them was. So the crayons at last realized that each one of them was unique. Each one of them was unique. Okay. Then number 10. Who said something here is wrong in the poem of the crayon box? Who said that something here is wrong? Something here is wrong. Is who said? Which color is said this? Then blue. Blue said that something is going is wrong. Then number 11. The meaning of the phrase get along is. What is the meaning of get along is? What is the meaning of get along? What is the meaning? Compromise with. What is the meaning of that? Compromise with. the crayon box. Then next number 30. Red was disliked by. Red was disliked by. Then red is disliked by yellow and green color. Red is disliked by yellow and green color. Then number 14. The poet used blank for his picture. Okay. The poet used blank for his picture. Then almost all the colors. Okay. Whatever the colors in the crayon box, the poet used all the colors. Means all the colors he used in his painting, in his picture, for making a beautiful picture. Then next number 15. The lifetime of Van Gogh was. Okay. The lifetime of Van Gogh was 1853 to 1819. 1853 to 1819. Let me go further. Let me see the next question. Okay. Let's see the next question. Question number 2. Write true or false. Question number 2. Write true or false. Then number 1. Number 1. Van Gogh lived in the 19th century. Van Gogh lived in the 19th century. True or false? Then true. It is a true. That means Van Gogh was living in a 19th century. Then next, Van Gogh belonged to Germany. True. Yes. True or false? False. Because he was not from Germany. Because he was from Netherlands. Okay. And we also discussed that where Netherlands is situated. Okay. Then next, number 3. The paintings of Van Gogh are valuable today. The painting of Van Gogh are valuable today. Then yes, today it is valuable. Then next, the textures of canvas that Van Gogh painted on used to be rough. Okay, it is the textures of canvas that Van Gogh painted on used to be rough. Yeah, true. It is true. Then next, everyone hated orange. Everyone hated orange color. Then answer is a true. Yes, everyone hated orange color. Then number 6. Red was disliked by green. No, because red was disliked by yellow. Okay. Then next, the paintings of Van Gogh was a flat. See, the painting of Van Gogh was a flat. False, because the paintings is not a flat. Number 8. Van Gogh used very thin paint in his painting. Wrong, because Van Gogh used very thick paint, not thin. Thick paint he used in his painting. Then next, number 9. Van Gogh moved his brush quickly. Van Gogh used his brush very quickly. No, because he used his brush very smoothly. He used his brush very smoothly. Then next, the crayons at last realized that each one of them was unique. See, the crayons at last realized that each one of them was unique. Then it is right. Each one of them unique. Yes, it is realized by the crayon box. The box of colors at the last realized that each and every colors are unique in their own context. Okay, let me go further. Let's see further. Let us see further. Question number 2, there is a B. Question number 2, there is a B. Is answer the following question. Answer the following question. Question number 1. What is a self-portrait? What is the meaning meaning of self-portrait? Self-portrait, here the meaning is that the person is itself drawn, its painting, it is called a self-portrait. It is called a self-portrait. What is called styles of painting? Then what is the meaning of styles? The styles of painting means the colors and the shapes, that which way it's used by the painters in his painting. It is called a styles of painting. Okay. Then the next, how are the three paintings are different of Vincent van Gogh? Then all the three paintings are different in a subject. Then what is the same thing is that the style and the color and the texture and the canvas and the brushes, whatever they used, all are equal, all are same. But what are different? The subject of the painting is only difference is there. Then the another thing, what kind of paint and color did Vincent van Gogh like to use? Then paint, they used thick paint in his all the paintings, and color, then paints all the dark color, red, blue, brown, green. Okay, that much kinds of dark color is used Vincent van Gogh in his painting. Then next, what do you think music to your ear means? What do you think music to your ear means? Here, the music to your ear means if someone is speak something, someone speaks something, then our ear is always ready to hear them. Our ear is always ready to hear them, his or her. Then it is called music to your ears. Means we like most to hearing of that person whenever he or she speak. It is called music to your ears. It is called music to your ears. Let me go further. Next, what is that? See, what is the recent life status? What is the recent life status of passenger pigeon? So the recent life status of passenger pigeon is that he is now no more. Okay, the last passenger pigeon is found in America in the year of I think 1940. Okay, then after it is not found, means it is the last passenger pigeons named Martha. It is found, and after that no this species is found in the earth, means this species is finished right now. So it is the present status of passenger pigeon. Then the next, number 7 question, give synonyms of Venonymous. What is the meaning of synonyms of Venonymous? The meaning of Venonymous is that very poisonous. Okay, very poisonous. Then next, what irritated the lion? Number 8, what irritated the lion? Then when the lion is sleeping on the jungle and one mouse come there and he just goes back and play on the back of the lion. It is too much irritated by the lion. Okay, he started to play on the back of lion. It is too much irritated to the lion. Then the next, what happened to the lion one day? Actually, what happened in the forest? What actually happened? He was trapped. He was trapped one day, and he was afraid about that when he is in a trap, and he wants to flee from this trap. And at the last, what happened? Then mouse is helping him to cut that row of trap, and he become free from this trap and from this row. Okay, then it is happened at the last with the lion. Number 10, describe the fangs of the Texas coral snake. Fangs means all of you know that at the mouth of a snake there are 2 fangs are there in the front of their mouth, and it is the symbols of Texas coral snakes. When we have to identify the Texas coral snakes, then we have to identify that with the help of fangs on his head. Okay, on his head there is a fangs. So this is the describe of the fans of the Texas coral snakes. I hope all of you understands all the questions. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. That much questions we have to discuss. Let me go further. Let me discuss something more. Okay. Okay. Let me see further. Question number 3. There is a A. Here, you giving you one poem. Okay. That we read the particular poem and try to give the answers of the from the poem. Let me first of all read the poem. Question number 3. A. Read the poem and answer the question. Then let me read the poem line to line, word by word. Okay. While walking through a toy store. While walking through a toy store the day before today. While walking through a toy store the day before today, I overheard a crayon box. I overheard a crayon box. Then with many things to say. With many things to say. I don't like red, said yellow. Okay. I don't like red, said yellow. And green, said nor to. And green, said nor to. Then the next. And no one here likes orange. And no one here likes orange. Then but no one knows quite why. But no one knows quite why. Okay. Last stanza, first, second and third, very last stanza. We are a box of crayon. We are a box of crayon. That really doesn't get along. That really doesn't get along. Said blue to all the others. Said blue to all the others. Then something here is wrong. What is shaded by the blue to all? Something here is wrong. Something here is wrong. It is said by the blue to all. Let me revise again. While walking through a toy store the day before today, I overheard a crayon box with many things to do. Say, I don't like red, said yellow. I don't like red, said yellow. And green, said nor do. And green, said nor do. And no one here likes orange. And no one here likes orange. But no one knows quite why. No one knows quite why. Then we are a box of crayon. We are a box of crayon. That really doesn't get along. That really doesn't get along. Said blue to all the others. Something here is wrong. Something here is wrong. I hope all of you understand the poem. In the same way, in the exam, I am giving you such kinds of different types of poem which is in our textbook. Okay, more 2 and 3. Okay, and you have to give to try to answers. Then number 1, question number 1. Who was the writer of the poem? Who was the writer of the poem? Then see, the writer of the poem was, what is the title of the poem? Saint-de-Rolf. Okay, all of you heard the name Saint-de-Rolf. Saint-de-Rolf. It is the writer of this poem. Okay, then see next. Where was the crayon box? Then where was the crayon box? You read first line. It is giving that the crayon box at the toy store. The crayon box at a toy store. What was the crayon doing? Then crayon is express their dislike for each other. They express their dislike for each other, and they all are quarrel with each other. Means what was the crayon doing? Then crayon is express their dislike for each other. Okay, and they are quarreling Then our next, what is wrong with the crayon box? What is wrong with the crayon box? Then see, no one is trusted each other and no one is ready to listening each other and they all are quarreling each other. It is going wrong with the crayon box. It is going wrong with the crayon box. Then next question, which color is hated by everyone? So if we read the poem, then we can get answers easily. See, if you read last second stanza, I don't like the red, said yellow, and green said not do, and no one here likes orange, but no one knows quite why. Okay, so here we got the answers of number 5. Which color is hated by everyone? So orange. See, and no one here likes orange means orange color is hated by everyone. Orange color is hated by everyone. Okay, I hope all of you understand. There is a question number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 from this poem. So I hope all of you understand that how to read the poem. First of all, whenever in your exam, you have to read the poem line by line, word to word, and try to understand the meaning of all that we already studied. Okay, and see all the questions answers is in the poem because this questions is from this particular poem. So you can get if you read the poem carefully, then you can give answers very easily of any questions from any poem. Okay, so this is our question number 3, the poem and answer the question. Poem and answer the question. So by this way, we will discuss the question 1 MCQs, then prior to and false, then answer the following questions, and after question 3A, there are a poem. Okay. Now there are remaining 4 things. Question 3B, answer the following question in wrong. Then question 4A, paragraph unseen, and question 4B, seen or unseen. And at the last, see the pictures and about the essay. So that much things that we decide in a very next class. So in the next offline classes, we will discuss that much questions which are remaining there. Okay. All of you see this video for revision. Okay. Bye to all.